Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Compact Business Desktop. So friend, MSI has released the PRO DP21 14MQ series, a new addition to its business desktop lineup designed for professional requiring efficient and secure computing in compact workspace. The desktop features a 2.3-liter chassis, making it ideal for environment where space is limited and while still offering powerful performance through Intel vPro technology and DDR5 memory, and the combination ensure robust security, efficient remote management, and high-speed data processing. So, friend, a compact business desktop is equipped with rear USB 10 Gbps Type-C port and front USB 5 Gbps Type-C port and 6 USB-A type port. So, friends, is designed for versatility, and the Pro DP21 14MQ is a VESA mountable, allowing user to attach it to a monitor as well easily, and it also supports MSI Power Link, enabling power management and connectivity when paired with MSI-selected monitor, and the feature is particularly beneficial when the desktop is mounted behind the monitor, ensuring a streamlined setup. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.